Hey everyone, it's your girl AZWA ZUZU, and today I'm back with a new video, and today I'm doing the full face using makeup products that YouTube guru made me buy. And trust me, I have a lot because your girl is on YouTube all day, 24/7, 365, no regrets. Before I jump into the video, girl, why are you not subscribed to my channel yet? I don't see your name in my subscription list. Why? You already got to this point, so might as well just click the subscribe button. It's there. It's there. I don't know wherever it is, but click it, please. Anyway, on the first half of this video, I look kinda down, like not happy, not jovial, tak ceria langsung sebab I honestly am tired. I penat buat kerja lab. I ingatkan lepas proposal defense free lah sikit, but no, I have got a little bit busier than before, so the tension from work definitely manifests on my face in this video, so I'm sorry for that. I apologize. I will do better next time. Let's jump to the video. For the primer, I'm going to use the Benefit Professional. Tati made me buy this. She says she loves this for pore filling, and anything she says, I will trust it blindly because I'm already out of this. I'm gonna need to open up my backup. I got a fresh one here. This is just a sample size I got when I claimed my Sephora points. As you guys know, I have problem with large pores because I have extremely oily skin. So I bought this, and I bought the sample size first, and I happen to love it. This one is really good to fill up the fine lines on your skin too. Untuk foundation, I pilih Too Faced Born This Way foundation yang ni called Nude. Shani Greenman made me buy this. She says she likes it so much even though she has extremely dry skin. But I really like it. Like, can you see? Just tinggal ni je lagi dah nak habis dah. Nampak tak? Nampak tak? Ke tak ada line pun? Ha, ni nampak line dia. Ew, they're separating. I should mix it first. My bad. Anyway, now untuk beauty sponge, undeniably Brina Beauty Blending Pearl is my choice. Is my top favorite last year, and I beli ni sebab Nur Fatin Zaki ada buat demo dekat video dia. Even though masa tu dia buat demo untuk contour and highlight muka, tapi sebab I nampak sponge ni lembut sangat kalau dia guna, so I decided to purchase this. Sangat lembut, nampak tak? Nampak tak? Senang gila nak squishkan dia. Definitely recommend this to you guys. If you tak mau beli beauty blender yang mahal nak mampus. Untuk concealer, I ada dua choice. Yang satu Maybelline Fit Me. Yang ni Tati juga buat I beli. Dia kata concealer ni sangat creamy and easy to blend. Lepas tu my second choice, and this is actually my favorite concealer, is the Catrice Liquid Camouflage. And yang ni Kathleen Lights made me buy it. The rap about this concealer, dia kata it's high coverage, it's cheap. So in fact, even Tati also like this concealer. So I'm gonna use this one for my under eyes. Untuk highlight the center of my face, I'm gonna use the Maybelline Fit Me concealer. With this camouflage concealer, you have to blend it fast because once it's set, it's so difficult to blend it, which is what is happening right now. I biarkan dia duduk macam 4-5 saat tadi, and I have to do extra blending work here. Untuk set my under eyes, I will use the NYX Banana Powder. And this is by far my favorite powder to set my under eyes. Amy Macedo made me buy this. She says this is so creamy and it really highlights the under eyes. I really like it, which is why I want to include it in this video. By the way, everything that I use in this tag is my favorite product, so I guess I can kind of call this my best 2017 makeup. Set the rest of my face, I'm gonna use the H&M Perfectionist Finishing Powder in the color Soft Sand. It looks like this, and again Kathleen Lights made me buy this. I watched her H&M haul and try on video, and she says that she really likes how lightweight this powder feels on her skin. It doesn't emphasize her texture. She has really dry skin. This powder doesn't kick up my skin. Plus, it add a teeny tiny extra coverage to the foundation I'm wearing. So I really like this one. For eye primer, I don't really have any favorites or anything that YouTube beauty guru made me buy. I usually just use the excess concealer on my beauty sponge and simply run it on my eyelids like that. But if you're looking for a really good and affordable eyeshadow base, I recommend you guys to try the Essence eyeshadow base. They're really cheap and they're good too. This video is incomplete without a Morphe eyeshadow palette. Last year is the year of Morphe brushes, like Morphe here, Morphe there. Use my code, use my code. Morphe is my favorite brand ever. Dia punya cover dah terbuka, hancur. This is the 35 OM. I also have the dupe palette from Ricedolls. This is basically Morphe brushes 25A palette, the Copper Spice palette. So I'm gonna use both of these for this video. Untuk my crease color, I pakai matte orange ni, and I'm using a large and dense fluffy brush because I'm gonna spread it broadly on my crease. To deepen up my crease, I pakaikan merah ni, and I guna a fluffy blending brush. Dengan color ni, I apply bawah sikit dari warna orange kita sebab I tak nak cover warna orange tu. I nak dia nampak. By the way, korang suka tak tengok drama channel? Sebab I love watching drama channel, not for the drama, but to know what is going on in the unity. What? Did I just combine beauty and community? Like unity? Simply just want to keep updated with what is going on there. Tell me in the comment below which drama channel that you love. Okay, for the eyelid, I'm gonna switch to the 25A palette, and I'm gonna use this really striking gold yellow right here and apply it directly on my eyelid using my bare finger because I find that this shimmer duochrome color applies best with the finger. Can you guys give me any idea on what video I should do next? Because I will gladly try my best to do it for you guys. Of course, I want to do videos that you guys want to watch, so that's why I'm asking for your opinion. For the eyeliner, I'm going to use my current favorite, which is the NYX Matte Liquid Liner, and Laura Lynn made me buy this. She says this is a good dupe for the NYC liquid eyeliner that is being discontinued. And true enough, it's so black, it's so matte, and it doesn't flake off or smudge anything like that. First, I'm gonna wipe off the excess product here because applicator dia macam nampak tak bergumpal-gumpal. So, yeah. Mari kita sama-sama senyap, berdoa supaya I dapat apply eyeliner dengan jayanya, okay? Because eyeliner is such a struggle for me. Okay, bismillah. Oh, look at how black that is. I'm not gonna do any fancy wing liner today because I have a feeling that today is not a good eyeliner day. So, you know what? I baru terfikir, kalau dekat US pun ada banyak kontroversi, ada banyak shady things going on. Of course, dekat Malaysia pun mesti ada shady things going on, kan? I have a lot of opinion to express, so let me know what you guys think. Should I do an expose video about the beauty community in Malaysia? Or no? Leave a comment down. Okay. For mascara, I guess most of you guys know this mascara. This is by Essence. It's the Volume Stylist Curl and Hold Mascara. Casey Holmes recommended this, so I go out and purchase it. And Tati also loved this mascara. It's a drugstore mascara. It's so cheap, and apparently it makes your lashes look voluminous and long, like you're wearing false lashes. But to be honest, this is not my favorite mascara. Of course, it gives me the volume, but it has such a wet and waxy formula that it makes my lashes droops down after some time. Also, the formula is kind of clumpy, so be careful. Lashes are on, and now it's time to contour the hell out of this round face. And for that, I'm going to use the Makeup Revolution Ultra Contour Palette. And this is recommended by Dani Mansuti or Daniel Mansuti. She's an Australian YouTuber that migrated to the UK or England, not sure. But she's recently been using a lot of UK brands such as this one, and she recommended this for contouring and to contour my cheekbones. I'm going to use this color right here. Okay, you know what? These lashes are so big, and it makes me feel uncomfortable because I've never used lashes this big. And I personally love this palette because it has such a variety and it's so easy to blend. Plus they're pigmented too, and I can literally highlight my under eyes or set the under eyes with this baking powder here, depending on my preference. And there's also a bronzer and a highlight inside, so it's all in one palette. I'm going to use this Artist Light brush from Daiso, and I'm taking the same color just now, taking off the excess and define my nose. Quick nose job here, guys. Untuk blusher, I pakai Essence Satin Touch Blush in the color Satin Bronze. Yang ni Kathleen Lights juga recommend. Sorry lah, ada banyak nama Kathleen Lights dalam ni sebab I minat Kathleen Lights, so I banyak ikut suggestion dia. So I tak nak pakai blusher yang pink-pink ke apa ke, sebab I punya mata dah ni kan, dah banyak sangat pink tone. So I nak pakai something very nudish and muted down on my cheeks today. For the highlight, no doubt is the Sleek Highlighting Palette in the color Solstice. Yang ni Nikki Tutorials recommend. I nampak dia pakai sekali and I was blown away by the pigmentation. I am truly in love with these two colors here. I believe these are the back highlights, and for this tutorial, I'm going to use the maybe the purple one just for fun. And betul-betul blinding guys, dia tak main-mainnya, I tell you. The feature highlight ni dalam RM1,000 haul eye. So if you guys are interested to watch that, I link it below. Look at that. Oh, is she glowing? Yes, she is. Lip eye ni sebenarnya banyak texture, banyak macam whiteheads lah, jerawat pasir lah, banyak jerawat pasir. So this highlight is definitely not emphasizing any of that. Nose bridge. I put a little bit too much. Sekali benda yang paling banyak sangat beauty guru recommend is Colourpop. Yang recommendkan I beli Colourpop is definitely Kathleen Lights. I'm going to use Ultra Matte Lip Mama. Untuk setkan the rest of my makeup, I'm going to use the Smashbox Photo Finish Primer Water, and this is again recommended by Cassie Holmes. She loves it so much. She actually used this to prime her face, but I didn't do it because I nak jimat. Tengok nampak tak, dia dah nak habis, I pakai selalu. So I just use it to set my makeup after I'm done. That's it guys, that's the end of this video. Thank you so much for watching and hanging out with me. Leave a comment down below if you have any suggestion for me to improve. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!